Okay, due to popular request, I am sharing how I make easy peel eggs. And if you do 1 dozen, it's 12 to 13 minutes. 2 to 4 dozen, it's 17 to 20 minutes. And 100 or more eggs, 35 minutes or more. You put your eggs into a small strainer, place it in your canner or your pot, okay? Only add water until it reaches the bottom of the strainer, but doesn't touch the eggs. Boil at the proper time, which you see up here, okay? And then shock them with ice water and they're done. So what I'm doing is I have my eggs in here in the strainer. I don't have the weight on. Let me get my weight. See, I don't have the weight on at all. It's pretty used, you can see. But I don't have the weight on at all. It's got sugar on it. It was in my sugar drawer. Sorry about that. And don't use this. Just wait until your water starts to steam like that. When it's steaming hard, okay? And yes, it's steaming all over the pot. And then you do your timing, which is up there. 1 dozen, 12 to 13, as I said before, 2 to 4, 17 to 20, and 100 eggs or more, 35 minutes or more. Then you shock them in cold water or you shock them in ice water, okay? And it's a steaming. Okay, so I would start my 13 minutes right now. Let's see. Okay, and I'll let my eggs steam like that. Okay, I removed them from the canner and I took them over to the sink. And this is ice cold water. I was getting low on ice, but it is very cold water. But I just want to show you something. This is how easy they peel when you do it this way. I start doing this one. I think this one was broken. I'm not sure. Let me check it. Can you guys see that? Yeah. Let me check it. I think it's going to come off, but I don't want to pull too fast. See how it's just literally, and honestly, they really do come off like that. Look at that. It didn't break either. Maybe I can use it. Yeah, because I want to, let me see. Here we go. I'm pickling eggs. I like to pickle eggs. I did some, I hate to say this, but I did pickled eggs a couple weeks ago. And I did them with, see, you guys see that? Yeah, it's awesome. I did it with ACV. And I'm going to be honest with you, I don't like it. They started to get a little cloudy. And especially when it comes to eggs, I don't trust that. So just use regular vinegar. I was just, you know, you have to be careful of all of those recipes and stuff you get online. And this one, I think it was a guy. I was watching somebody and he said I can use ACV. So I did a whole dozen eggs, right? I think it might even been more than 12. And I used that ACV. Yeah, I did. I did 24. Now I'm thinking about it because I did a couple jars full. And the small jars we ate, my daughter and I got to eat. They were pretty good. But for some strange reason, the large jar, the quart that I did, the quart was started to get cloudy. I noticed it. And I told my daughter, I said, does that look different to you? And she said, oh, yeah. So we didn't need it. We got rid of them. Hey, guys, God is good. He supplies our needs. I know all this stuff is going on in our nation, but put your trust in God. God's not going to let you starve. Okay, you know, and this is why I like to show people how to put their food up. You know what I mean? And preserve their food. Okay, wait, I like to do it this way. Hit it and roll. You don't have to hit and when you do your eggs like this, look at this, watch. You don't have to beat your eggs to death. I hope you guys saw that because there we go. I'm not standing behind the camera. See? When you steam your eggs in not a pressure cooker, even though you might be able to, I don't know, I never did it that way. But when you steam your eggs in a pressure canner, as you can see, there's like dimples on this egg. I really don't have the lighting proper here. Let me see if I can. Yeah, you can see them a little bit. There's dimples, but it's not from my fingernails. Okay, when you do that, that's how easy your eggs will come out. So, and then you can pickle them. I'll put them in a jar with some, check this out. I'll put them in a jar with a little bit of water and a whole lot of white vinegar. And I will use pickling spice. I already have it. This is McCormick. Yeah, this is McCormick pickling spice. Okay, put them in a jar. Put your pickling. No, what I do is, no, let me tell you right. Take the pickling spice, put it in a pot, and cook it on the stove a little bit. Heat it on the stove with the pickling spice. Heat it on the stove. Add your whatever you want to it, the hot sauce or whatever else you want, your jalapenos, whatever you want to use. Add whatever you want in your pickles, your beets, what have you, and then heat it up, and then put your eggs in a jar, and then pour your heated spices and stuff, liquid, over the eggs to about an inch to the top. Some people go a little higher, but I just go to the neck of the jar, and then clean the top and everything. Put the lid on. Screw the top on, let it sit for about a week or two if you can. They're so good. I bet you in 3 days you're going to want to eat them, and they'll still be good. There they go, folks. There's the shells, and here's all 3, 6, 9, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, all 12 eggs. Yeah, I didn't eat any. Don't ask me why I just counted that. There's all 12 eggs, and this is what I got my cold water from. I keep that in the, I take my copper water, and I pour it into here, and then I put that in the refrigerator and drink it. But anywho, there's my eggs, all 12 of them. So, God bless. Oh my goodness. Sorry, folks. Sorry for talking with my mouth full, but I just want to show you how these eggs came out. I covered these ones over until I can get the liquid ready. Look how nice. Can I put it in the sun? There we go. Look how beautiful that egg came out. And I'm going to squeeze it. Because, you know, sometimes you get that green mark in between your eggs. Let me look at that. Clean. It's hard to do this holding the camera. That looks nice. Clean, buddy. And there you go. And anywho, that's how you do your pickled eggs. God bless you. And I thank all of you for watching Oh Crazy Me. I'm glad you guys like my videos and everything. I love you to death. I'm going to pray for you every day. Have a good day.